This is a freight elevator at the USF Argo Center in Tampa, Florida. Is the elevator here? I guess we'll find out. Yep, the elevator is here. All right. We gotta shut the doors because these are manual doors and they are awfully heavy. All right, got the outer door shut. And I got the inner door shut. Let's go down. Now let's go back up. Or maybe let's not go back up. Alarm works. Emergency stop works. The light does not work. And I do not think we can go back up. Alright, I guess we can go up. It's awfully low on oil. Let's go back down. We're just gonna do one more ride. Again, it's awfully dark. You cannot really get a good look at the cab. All right, we're gonna go up and end the video. So this is an Eastern elevator, by the way. You know what, actually on second thought, we're gonna go down one more time. And we're gonna end the video down there. Let's see, how do you open these doors? There we go. So anyway, here's your cab view. Someone's storing their bike in here. There's a little look up the shaft. You can't see much. So with that being said, we're gonna shut the doors. And that'll be it.